Hello everybody, my name is Vic and I want to talk to you about traffic. I'm going to address the biggest challenge that most businesses are having. Heck, it might be you as well. How do you get more traffic? And more importantly, why is traffic generation seems to be this so complicated thing and everybody's struggling with it? Because if you can get more traffic, you can get more sales, you can get more money in your bank account, you can be all around a happier human being, wouldn't you, right? So check this out. If this is your business, if you are running a business or if you want to grow your business, and if traffic generation and lead generation is your problem, watch this because it will help you. Why is traffic such a big deal right now in terms of so many people are frustrated? Let me tell you why. If this is right here, okay, see this? If this is the internet, okay, internet traffic, right? If this circle represents all available traffic sources on the internet right now, okay? This one thing right here, one little circle in this entire traffic universe of the cyberspace, right? F for Facebook. And what is going on right now, if you really pay attention to the industry and the gurus and the courses that are being propagated and taught right now, it seems like everybody's talking about just one traffic source, which is Facebook, right? And so what happens is, because it gets propagated so much, everybody and their dog is going to Facebook to run ads. What happens there, right? Well, supply and demand, my friend. Supply is low, demand is high. Everybody's propagating this idea of going to Facebook. And you know what? We're not negating Facebook. It works. But right now, if you rely on that, your average cost to acquire a customer is going to be about 400 to 500% higher than it used to be about 18 months ago. Why? Because the more people and businesses go to this one traffic source pool, what happens is the cost of traffic goes through the roof. Because everybody's doing it, right? Supply and demand, simple math. However, what you might not realize is that there's other tons and tons and tons of channels for us entrepreneurs to tap into, okay, to get traffic to our website. As a matter of fact, over the last 10 years, I went on this quest to figure out this traffic game. And what I've done is I've consolidated all of these available traffic media, and I said, you know what, out of hundreds and hundreds of different ways for you and I to get traffic, what would be like level 1 traffic ideas or level 1 traffic strategies, right? Where can I go to get traffic fast without relying on Facebook or Instagram or TikTok or whatever else, that might come up? How do I get traffic predictably, systematically, and consistently, right? So what I've done is I said, you know what, I'm going to consolidate all this mass right here, okay, into a blueprint, okay, and I'm going to take all of the available traffic media. A lot of it is abandoned. Like, for example, did you know that instead of going just relying on Facebook, you can get in front of buyers? Like, if you're selling services or products, how awesome for you would be to get in front of buyers of something similar, right? And you speak directly to them. There is virtually no competition, okay? So right now, the average traffic cost on Facebook is about $1 a visitor, okay? What we have done, and this is something that we're also, about to bring to the entire world, you can be a part of it if you want to as well, is we have perfected a system of getting traffic. This model, we're calling it data aggregation traffic model. Nobody's talking about it, but instead of paying about $1 on average per visitor like everybody else, okay, our average net traffic cost per visitor is about 7 cents. It is crazy. And the way that we're doing this is there is 3 stages. Stage number 1 is the get part. Okay, again, I'm going to teach you all this. If you are interested, check out, click on the links around this video somewhere, get on the actual training, because I want to walk you through this model. This might be really, really important for your business as well. Okay, so what we're doing is we're going to consolidate this mass right here into a blueprint, okay? And this is where I take, I say, what are the most potent traffic strategies for getting me traffic now without depending on Facebook or anything like that? And so there's about three or four of them. It demystifies this whole idea of traffic generation. It gives you clarity and you just step into it and you get traffic on demand. We call it fast results traffic. When that works, what I do is then, and excuse my handwriting is horrible, I know that, you don't have to tell me, okay? Then I expand it out into what I call level 2 traffic generation, second phase of the get part, and we're calling it strategic scale. This is where I can go from getting 5,000 visitors to 50,000 visitors, okay? And I just stack them, it's like Lego pieces, it's incredible. And then when that works, all right, I go into level 3, All right, I have limited time in this ad to tell you all this. I'd like to teach you if you're interested. But then the level 3 is called domination. This is you just take over your marketplace. So if you're interested in being the dominating figure in your marketplace, in your company, in your industry, whatever it is you're doing, if you want to dominate, you need to learn how to get traffic. We're calling this stage get. Okay. Then we go into the second stage, and we're calling this stage. Okay, we're calling this stage. I'm going to teach you this. I just don't have the time, so I'm just going to put question mark. We're calling this manage. Okay, how do you engage your traffic? How do you manage your traffic? And then that stage, okay, there are specific strategies I'm going to teach you. And then we go into the stage called multiply. Okay, this is where we're talking about your hub, not HUD, hub. And this is, nobody's talking about this. Through this process, my friend, we're calling this data aggregation. This process allows us right now to get traffic, okay, for an average net visitor cost of 0.7 cents, okay? So 7 cents per visitor. Now, we ran an experiment. We generated over 17.5 million unique visitors through this model. It is mind-blowing stuff. We're able to generate over 3.7 million leads, subscribers, over 112,000 paid customers for over $12 million in revenue. Again, average net cost per visitor, 7 cents. Anybody can do this. Nobody's talking about it. So what we're doing is two things. Number one, if you are interested in learning this thing, okay, this stuff right here for yourself, check out the training that I just put out there. There's going to be limited time availability. You'll learn this model. B is we are about to expand this out to the world, right? So if you are somebody, if you're an affiliate marketer, if you're an entrepreneur, if you're looking for an idea, something big that you can be a part of, okay? Because we're taking this training for the first time ever. We're about to launch this to the world, and you can be part of the core team of people that will propagate this out to the world. So you can become our partner, essentially. So this might be for you, might not be for you, but check out the training. I'll tell you all the details about that. Here's what it may do for you, right? Gives you an ability to, A, get massive amounts of traffic, B, build huge, massive audiences, get insane conversions, and you can earn up to $1,200 or $2,400 per sale, basically bringing out a solution to virtually every business out there in the universe who needs more traffic and leads, and we're gonna do it together. So this is a project we're calling Operation ITA. It's available for very limited time. We have a few spots available for that if you are interested. What you can do is check out the link around this video somewhere, see if this is for you. But nonetheless, check out the training because it will help you no matter what it is that you're doing, I believe, okay? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you inside.